up. Let's see you walk. Oh, we've seen you crawl already. Shall we see you walk now? That's it. That's right. Come on, come over to me. That's good. Oh, so you're trying to run before you can walk? Yes.